Let's go. We are on the road to WrestleMania. And here comes the undisputed WWE Champion, the Scottish psychopath Drew McIntyre. Tonight McIntyre will fight Jacob Fatu in the undisputed WWE Championship match. And now McIntyre with the championship in hand. A proud champion who defeated the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes in a steel cage match, which was a 3 stages of hell match to become the new undisputed champion in January. And McIntyre is set. Oh no! Fatu! The match was not even started. Attacked. The undisputed WWE Champion Drew McIntyre. And now Fatu, close line, sends McIntyre outside. Look at the replay of how Jacob Fatu sends McIntyre at ringside with a close line. And now Fatu take a run up. Suicide dive to Drew McIntyre. The undisputed WWE Champion in big trouble. The referees and officials are coming to save McIntyre from Fatu, but Fatu also destroying them all. The security guards needs a security from Jacob Yarnami Fatu. Now they are trying to separate Jacob Fatu from McIntyre, and the undisputed champion is secretly running away. Oh! But Fatu smashes him with a right hand. Fatu want to kill Drew McIntyre, but thanks to the officials who saved him. And now Cody Rhodes, Jacob Fatu on the top rope. Cody trying to hit a superplex on the Samoan Werewolf, but Fatu fighting back sends him down. And now Sami Zayn trying to do the same which was Cody did. But look at Jacob Fatu, who's showing his strength, his toughness to Sami Zayn. Sami, you can't do what Cody failed in doing, so now a headbutt sends Sami downwards. And now the American Nightmare back on his feet. The former undisputed champion. But Fatu again fighting back with the punches. Again sends Cody down. But Sami. And now the teamwork has begun. Sami Zayn and Cody Rhodes together. Will they succeed this time, or Fatu again put them down? Oh, they succeed! Superplex from the top rope to Jacob Fatu, but now Fatu punishing them. Splash! Sami Zayn is also in big trouble. And now, oh, another splash. Sami is down. Cody is almost out. Jacob Fatu, the future undisputed WWE champion for sure. And now Cody, Super Cody Kata from the top rope. Fatu sends Cody outside. And now the Samoan Werewolf with a mighty moonsault on Sami Zayn cover. 1, 2, oh no, Drew McIntyre. The Scottish psychopath with a claymore kick to Jacob Fatu stuns him, sends him outside, and now smashes Fatu with a into the steel post. Oh, power bomb! McIntyre punished Jacob Fatu for his actions and attacks, and now McIntyre claymores Cody Rhodes. And now helping Sami Zayn to win this triple threat match to qualify into the Elimination Chamber. And now, referee counting. Oh no, Cody kicks out. What just happened? Drew McIntyre does not want Cody Rhodes to qualify. Oh no. Now McIntyre smashing the American Nightmare. McIntyre destroying Cody Rhodes. A Lua kick by Sami Zayn. Sami saved Cody. But now Cody took advantage of the situation with a crossroads. And Cody Rhodes defeated Fatu and Zayn. Oh no. Oh no. Jacob Fatu is back. McIntyre is trying to run away from Fatu, but Fatu caught him and now destroying him with the kicks. Jacob Fatu destroying Drew McIntyre completely.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah.
And now Fatu sets his sight on the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes. And McIntyre wins the match. No breaks with it. Yaramiano. Glasgow kiss by Drew McIntyre to Jacob Yarami Fatu. Oh no, Fatu with a super kick stuns McIntyre. You can't disrespect Jacob Fatu like that. If you do so, this will happen. Jacob Fatu totally destroyed the undisputed champion Drew McIntyre in seconds. Oh no. Rey Fenix versus Trick Williams. Phoenix with a kick to Trick. Cover. Kick out by Trick Willie. And now Rey Fenix again up top. What he will do? Oh no, a cross body. He's not stopping here. Rey Fenix. Splash. Cover. Kick out by Trick Williams. Rey Fenix is the brother of Penta. And now Trick Williams again in trouble. That's Rey Fenix with a cross body from the top. And now both men up top. Trick Williams tried to use a move from his arsenal, but Rey Fenix again. Oh no. Bang! Smashes into the neck of Trick Williams. Or trick shot. Trick shot. Cover. Trick Williams defeated Rey Fenix. Oh no. RKO by Randy Orton. And now Solo Sikoa. It's a no-look RKO from Randy Orton. Look at the replay. And just like that, Randy Orton wins the match, baby. Oh, Uncle Howdy. Oh, staring. The Los Ritarias. Angel Garza and Humberto Carrillo getting destroyed by the brother of Bray Wyatt, the late great Bray Wyatt. Sister Abigail by Uncle Howdy. Cover. And the Wyatt Six wins the match. And Cardona. Bang! A flatliner by Cardona. To Tangaloa. Do subscribe to Wrestling Phenomena for more wrestling action like this. Oh no! Cardona. Kick out by Tangaloa. And now oh no. Sikoa stuns Cardona. Close line.